Cat, Squeaks, Daisy, and Hal are cartoon characters and not real animals. To keep all of our animal friends safe, check with a grown-up before you bring a pet on your next nature adventure. Ha-ha!
It's Nature Prize Surprise. Today's contestants on Nature Prize Surprise are Daisy's grandmother, Granny Bunny.
Oh, yeah.
And Ronald's grandfather, Brad McDonald. Are you two ready?
Oh, of course, dear.
I'm not getting any younger.
What's one way to tell if a plant is poison ivy?
Leaves of 3, let it be.
That's correct. If you see a plant with 3 leaves, don't touch it. It could be poison ivy. Granny Bunny, you win roller skates.
Want to go for a spin?
Oh, that'd be a hoot. Let's roll.
See you next time on Nature Prize Surprise.
PBS Kids has all new
Hey, everyone.
Molly Up Denali, Ordinary Adventures,
Let's do it again.
and the extraordinary place they call home.
It's beautiful.
All new Molly Up Denali, streaming now on PBS Kids.
PBS Kids has lots of friends. Yeah! Silly friends. Really friends.
Girl hug.
Sharing friends.
Cupcakes for everyone.
And caring friends.
Maka, maka.
So many friends, the fun never ends.
1, 2, 3, 4.
Yeehaw! Yippee!
I want to make even more friends. Friends, your friends.
Have fun with all your friends. Now streaming free on PBS Kids.
Funding for Nature Cat has been provided in part by the Hamill Family Foundation, the Donna Van Ekron Foundation, these generous donors, the Corporation for Public Broadcasting, and by viewers like you. Thank you.
I love spaghetti. Spaghetti loves me.
You taught me you don't need a reason to sing. The world is full of possibilities, and so are you.
Wild Kratts is made possible by Target believes that the power of play and the joy of everyday life are all around. Target is a proud sponsor of PBS Kids.
Unleashing a child's curiosity and imagination can lead to some pretty wild adventures. Adventure Academy, a virtual multiplayer world for kids ages 8 to 13, is a proud sponsor of Wild Kratts.
The Corporation for Public Broadcasting. And by contributions to your PBS station from viewers like you. Thank you.